Welcome back to Locked In with Ty, your ultimate destination for all things locks. Today is called Operation Oryan. I'm a little late to the, you know what I'm saying, because I don't try to follow trends right as they happen. But I seen Oryan with this hairstyle and I was like, I gotta try it. So let's get into it. It looks like he had 3 ponytails. So what I'm gonna do, and then I like to add my own little, you know what I'm saying, twist to it. So he had like 2, looked like it was like 2 ponytails up here and then 1 in the back. So like 3 ponytails. We just gonna see. We just gonna like try some shit because we just gonna try it out. And they were like, no, not this one. I'm gonna do this one. And then, where's that other scrunchie? And then he had another one over here. I feel like that side has way more hair. Let me see if I can steal some. All right. Operation Oryan. All right, I need some hair from, let me see. This one got so much hair in it. Forgot I wanted to keep my 2 out. Why y'all let me forget? Okay, so we gonna keep those 2 out and we gonna put that one up too. And we gonna, so this is what it looks like before, which is kind of cute. Now I'm gonna go in with the rubber bands and we finna get this thing cracking. So he made them like pineapple. I'm gonna put 2 and see how it looks. Cause I want them to like stick out, you know? We gonna make this work, okay? We gonna make it do what it do, because that's what we do. And we gonna make it fire. Oryan, I was trying. Should I put another one? Let's see. I think if I put another one, it's gonna be like too. Well, you know I gotta be extra. I gotta be extra at all times. Chopsticks to give it a little, give it a little extra. Which Which way should I put it? Looks like I'm going for a swim. So this is the final look of my Oryan. Oh my gosh. Let me do my edges. It's so hard to do stuff like this in the camera. Like, what? Anyways, you get the gist, you get the point. Thank you for watching. Okay, so I ended up using the chopsticks as stilts instead, and I feel like this came out super cute and I absolutely loved it, and I hope you guys love it also. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.